Welcome back to the shop. It's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. Today we're with this 2020 Range Rover. What's special and unique about this Range Rover is the fact it has the optional matte finish that's available from the Range Rover factory. We're seeing on some of these new vehicles with matte finish coming in. The car absolutely looks stunning when it's new. One of the downsides of the matte finish, you're going to be super careful when you're washing these vehicles, when you're taking care of them. Never, ever, ever, ever take one of these vehicles to a car wash. That's our pro tip of the day. But how do you make it easy to maintain this if you can't polish it, if you can't wax it with traditional waxes, sealants, etc., polishes? Well, one of the things we recommend here is we recommend the Geon Matte. It's a ceramic coating that's designed specifically for matte type finish. Okay, they work on matte PPF, matte vinyl, or a whole entire vehicle with a matte finish. Why would you put this on your matte style finish? Well, the same reason you would any other ceramic coating, for all the other benefits. Ease of use, easy to wash. It's going to look great. It's not going to change the appearance of the matte finish, but it's going to make it easy to wash, easy to maintain. A vehicle like this with a matte finish, you're not going to just run this down to the car wash and let anybody wash it for you. In fact, you're never going to take it to the car wash. You're going to be really careful when you wash this vehicle. You don't want to mar it. You mar it up. You can't polish a vehicle like this, so you need to be super careful, super delicate with this vehicle. The Geon Matte ceramic coating is only going to make it easier to maintain your vehicle and have it keep it looking great for years to come. If you got any questions about your vehicle, contact us at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com.